Both Slovenia and Croatia have a beautiful coast. It attracts huge number of tourists every year who enjoy the sea, the nature, and leisure during their holidays. Often they don't know or choose not to think about corruption related to construction developments on the coast and environmental damage related to it. That is the stuff left to local community to deal with. The people struggle, sometimes protest, sometimes they fight those issues just like a movement against the reclamation of the sea in Bali, in the Benoa Bay. However, many times communities in Slovenia, Croatia or elsewhere do not have a national agency editor and photographer going far beyond the call of duty in a creative way to document and support those struggles. Ismar Patricki in Indonesia has been working for several years on his project called Blues of the Injured Sea. It was first exhibited at Antara Photojournalism Gallery in Jakarta. His series of portraits of people with integrity and determination to fight injustice against their community and environment are designed into a booklet that can be opened and used as posters of different sizes. The booklet is tied with natural fiber rope. The images, posters, are documentary and artistic, with a thought-through design needed for any representative, high-quality photo publication. They are a souvenir of real life, real people from Bali, for all of you who will go there on holiday maybe one day. To the like-minded, the booklet posters communicate, you are not alone, you are part of the community. To the unaware tourist, they communicate, you are most welcome, but beware of what your holiday spree supports. And to those who are abusing their power and wealth, those posters communicate the numbers of life touched and determined not to allow to be abused. Ismar is the photographer engaged in and for the community, just as national agency photographers, I think, could or maybe should be in Slovenia, Croatia, or anywhere in the world.